There's wires up there, so if you go too high, there's a real danger you're going to trip over them. And also, you might slide down on your bottom.
Yes.
Which is fun, but you know. We are here today to work with Aberbargoed Primary School on a children's Midsummer Night's Dream. We're working with approximately 90 students from years 3, 4 and 5, and we're incorporating them into the professional performance to be performed for an audience tonight.
What's happening today and this evening is basically come about through a project called the Fusion Project, which is all about promoting culture in deprived communities to improve well-being. Part of my role is to get to have outdoor theatre here and for the public who live in the valleys to come here. So we thought a good idea would be to work with the schools, which is what we've done here with Ballet Cymru, and Ballet Cymru are very, very keen to do this project, so it's worked really well.
When I started first time I didn't like it, but when I tell me now, I'm more brave and I love it. Ballet Cymru have been very kind to me.
The most exciting thing about the project is the confidence and the positive attitudes that have been instilled with the children through the project. It's not the first sort of artistic work we've done with involving Shakespeare. We've done quite a bit in recent months, and the children, it's almost like drip feeding them, and their confidence is growing throughout. And to see children performing now with professional dancers in this setting is fantastic. And so many of them on their reports this year have written that they would like to be actors, singers, performers, dancers. So it's really given them, you know, something to aim for.
What did you think of ballet before? What do you think of it now?
Well, it was a bit boring, but after that, when I get to know it and all that, it just blew my mind.
Shakespeare can be quite daunting, it can be quite complex, but we've gone in and we've explained the whole story of Midsummer Night's Dream and the characters, but hopefully we've done it in a really fun and engaging way. I think the nice thing about doing Shakespeare as a ballet, it's not so much about the language and the words, it's about the characters. So they don't have to get their head around all of the language, which could be quite heavy. It's more about the storylines and the mischief that the characters get up to. So we've really gone on about the fairies and the sprites and the work people and the lovers, but yeah, hopefully in a way that they can relate to and is understandable to them all.
Well, after the wedding, you have to go that way.
Does that make sense?
Well, I didn't really get the books, but now I do. Like, I enjoy reading them more often.
I was really scared at the beginning, like talking on microphones and that, but now I'm like brave. I thought it was going to be really boring, but I've gone on to enjoy it.
Keep up with me.
Who's going to jump in here? Go. Follow on, follow on, follow on.
I thought that I might enjoy it, but I loved it. And the working with Ballet Cymru is a good experience to have. Before I thought it was I wasn't going to enjoy it, but now I really enjoy it and I want to start it when I'm older. I learned that to not be afraid to do what you want to do.
on the first day we had a boy come across with his hands in his pockets like, I don't want to do ballet, like really against it. And then I remember at the end of the second day we were in, he was jumping and spinning and rolling across the floor and just having such a wonderful time. And you know, when I was asking them what they did on the weekend, they were like, oh, I was practicing all my dance moves, miss. So actually it's really lovely that they've had such a big turnaround. Hopefully it's something that we can continue with the school and keep building on, and also maybe form a sort of package that we can take to other schools as well, because we love doing this outdoor work and engaging with the community. So yeah, bring it on.